Hello everyone, we're in Studio City today. We just completed a driveway sliding gate with a pedestrian gate and a bunch of picket fence panels. This job came out really nice. The customer's very happy, and this is a almost 22-foot gate. You can watch it opening here. Came out really nice. This gate had a little bit of a slope, but granted, we were able to make it work without having the gate made with the slope. It would have been a little bit complicated if we had to do this job with the slope because of the vertical panels. So here it is when it's fully open. We also have a tiny little motor here. This is an Italian rack and pinion style motor, and we also have all the picket fences all the way across. Due to the slope over here, we had to step things down to maintain the visually nice look here. So same thing here, we have to step it down. When it's completely open, you almost don't see the gate behind it, but when it's closed, it comes out really almost even with the panel on top. Okay, there it is. The customer's over there already bragging to all his neighbors. We've had several people stopping by and already complimenting on the beautiful gates that we have. By the way, these are all manufactured in our own facility here in Canoga Park, California. And these are all powder coated aluminum, very low maintenance product, and almost a lifetime product. All right, thank you for watching. We will see you on the next beautiful installation. Bye-bye.